Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning pepper paneer. It is a very nice accompaniment starter, or you can also use it as alone evening snacks. So it's raining and it's the best you can have, and it has a lot of veggies and flavors that even my kids love the most. It's my all-time favorite of my family, so I thought I would share this dish with you all. So welcome again. So here, as you can see, we have red bell pepper, green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So ours is a family of 4, so this should be sufficient. Each one I have taken some 5 to 6 baby corn sliced vertically, some whole pepper which I'll be crushing later, 200 grams of paneer, and some pepper powder, some corn flour, and I have also taken some soya sauce, which adds a very beautiful flavor. And here I have not kept. I may take half teaspoon of sugar also later, and you can see some chopped coriander for garnishing at the end, and some green chilies also. So my chilies are very spicy, so I have taken some 4, but you can take like 5 to 6 according to the hotness of the chili. So let's make some corn flour slurry. So for this slurry or paste, we are using corn flour, crushed pepper and salt. I am using around 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Add little by little water so that you don't get lumps. So we don't want lumps, and the consistency should be enough. So you can add some more corn flour. See, it is loose, so I'll be adding some more and making it a thicker paste, so that this should be enough to coat my paneer and baby corn. So this I will be frying. So you can also choose to shallow fry this, but the fried version is loved by my kids, so I'm going to fry them. So I'm just coating them well, so throughout their surface it should be coated well, and when I fry, it gives a great flavor. Even my kids don't let me put them in the veggies, so I'm doing it simultaneously. So here is the kadai I have kept for heating, and in that I am pouring oil for good enough to fry the paneer and baby corn. So on the other hand, I will be heating up a pan to make my veggie mix. My son is helping me to pound some pepper. So it is, as I told, it is just loved by especially kids, or like everyone in my family love them. So I have also heating a pan for my veggie mix on the other hand till my oil is hot there. Here I am taking around 2 tablespoons of oil, and in that I will be adding little mustard. And if you don't want to skip mustard in everything, just skip it. Add directly jeera and let it splutter. And here you should take care that either jeera or garlic or chili or even the veggies, nothing should be burnt and cooked to the proper level, otherwise it will change the flavors of the vegetables. Instead of giving the fragrant flavorful mix, it can be turned bitter because of overburnt garlic, onion or the capsicum. So be very careful. Now I have added garlic, green chilies and giving them a stir before adding my onion. And once I feel that the chilies have been cook well, or just they should leave the spicy flavor, then I'm adding the salt and onion, and then I will give the stir. So here simultaneously I'm doing, because I told you my kids won't leave any of the fried pepper or baby corn. Actually, it can itself be a side snack, but I want to add veggies to their plate as much as possible, so I give them with veggies, and they have to eat the veggies if they want the paneer and corn, baby corn. So meanwhile I'm frying there and making sure that there also they are not getting burnt. A slight brown coating on the paneer and baby corn is all I require. So I am taking it out in a separate plate. And here, see, my onion are getting cooked. I don't want them to burn. again I would like to repeat, we want to retain the crunchiness of the vegetables, so we are not overcooking. After adding capsicums, I am lowering the flame also. Here goes the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. In the earlier recipes I have showed you how to make the tangy tomato pasta, spaghetti pasta. So in that also you can like add this mixture. It is really tasty. Just I am giving a light stir to these veggies. Don't crush them, we need to maintain the crunchiness of that. Keep an eye on the corn flour and corn flour mixed veggies which are getting fried on the other hand. Here I am adding little salt to speed up the process, and you should be careful because in the paneer and corn mix also there is salt added in the corn flour. So make sure like the overall dish, if you want to add around 2 small teaspoon of salt, there it will go 1 spoon and here 1 spoon. So see, it is well cooked, so I will not wait to add the paneer and baby corn in that. So it is added. Now I'm also adding soya sauce. The brownish tint is because of that, and also the remaining corn slurry can be added so that it gives a slight binding. We don't want a gravy here, so it is as we don't want a gravy or a watery consistency here, so the corn flour will just help the veggies to bind. So here it is ready, garnished with coriander and crushed pepper.